raptors are much larger and heavier than the males, and she is an exception. Now, back in she has about 26 years, and people weigh 31 years old. And she is setting a time, but we also bring her up during our presentation to allow them to enjoy the atmosphere out there as part of her presentation and treatment as well. Now, female raptors have huge talent and power, which makes them an unmatched huntress.
Now, she weighs up to 4.7 kilograms, and at high speed, she can lift up a prey weighing up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
That's right, Lina, very interesting indeed. And another interesting part about bald eagle is that they have a really huge nest. And if you're wondering how big the nest can get, well, it can be up to 10 feet wide. Now, to help you visualize that better, take the stump right there. And the distance between the stump and myself, so that is 10 feet wide. It can also be up to 20 feet tall, which is about 3 or 4 times my height. And that is a really big nest.
That's right, a really big nest for a really big bird. I think Susie here has done a wonderful job being on stage, so let's give her a big round of applause.
Oh, Lina, do you hear that?
That's a very familiar call. What? Look right over there. So everyone meets Nelson, our white-bellied seagull. Now they're commonly found in Southeast Asia and are one of the largest birds of prey you can spot right here in Singapore.
The white-bellied sea eagles have feet with broad undersides to allow them to grip onto slippery and surrounded prey, like fish or even snakes. In fact, they specialize in hunting venomous sea prey.
And speaking about sea snakes, I have a replica right over here. So Nelson is in position. I'm going to toss this in. And
Whoa! Impressive step and also well done indeed. But it happened really fast, so some of you did not catch that. Not to worry, we have a replay right on the screen. So everyone, let's check it out. Look at that powerful snap. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get up for Nelson once again. An incredible demonstration. Yes.
That is why the white-bellied seagulls are one of my favorite birds of prey to spot in the skies of Singapore.
Well, Lina, there's another raptor that we all watch out for. It can be found in Singapore as well. That is the Romney Kite. Let's welcome Rado! And watch this! Whoa! Everyone, Romney Kites are agile and maneuverable in flight. They are able to catch their prey in mid-flight. And since Rado is really enjoying time out here, flying around, in fact, they are also medium-sized raptors, and don't let their size fool you. These birds can still prey over as big as Nelson or any other white-bellied sea eagle. Now, having said that, would you like to see him in action once again? Yes or no? Awesome. So, Rado, here we go. And wow! So everyone, if you're walking around on parks in Mandai, don't forget to look up. You might be able to spot wild white-bellied sea eagles or even a few brownie kites flying around. And this is how they look like in the sky. Now on the left is the silhouette of a white-bellied sea eagle.
This between these two birds. The size is the obvious difference, but there is also the coloration and the shape of their wings. So for white-bellied sea eagles, when they're flying, they have a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
And as for the brownie kites, they have L-shaped wings with a U-shaped tail, and they are brownish. The white-bellied sea eagles are more white and gray in color.
Now speaking about raptors, did you know about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds from Europe and Asia, going all the way to as far as Africa. Now this is a perilous journey. Thousands never make it to your destination.
Thousands around the world are killed for sports. So we need your help to save and protect these birds. Our side will be happy.
Now, birds of prey, they are vital to the health of our planet. They help to remove old, sick animals and even get rid of pests. Now, one bird in particular helps us with pest control. And that bird is none other than the owl. So everyone, I would like you to meet Maya, our Malaysian owl. Another local species you can spot right here in Singapore. And the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming. Now that's because owls, they are masters of silence and flight.
Speaking of silence, like there's another Malaysian owl waiting for us right there. Everyone meet Latte. And Latte will be demonstrating to us that owls in Malaysia have silent flight. But before that happens, I need everyone to remain seated. That's right, remain seated. Be as quiet as possible. Because like I said, you are about to experience the owl's unique ability of a silent flight. Oh, indeed, I'm pretty sure none of you had anything at all, am I right? Yes, let's give Latte a big round of applause, everybody. Awesome. But the reason owls are able to do so is because they have soft edges at the tip of their head, which alters air surfaces and reduces noise, making their flights as silent as a whisper. And they also have incredible eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
And speaking about the owl's eyes, the colors tells you when they tend to hunt. So owls with yellow color eyes, like Latte and Maya here, they hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes hunt during sunrise and sunset. And last but not least, owls with dark black eyes, well, they hunt during the night. So with that, I think our lovely owls has done a wonderful job. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have just met the owl.
They are nature's peanut fruit. They use columns of air to fly and glide in search for carcasses, using their strong sense of sight and smell. Now vultures, they help us prevent the spread of diseases.
And with that, let's welcome our first vulture, Zena, the turkey vulture. And they will find Americans as one of the few finely sets of smell.
So that means if there's a dead animal nearby, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. And then the greater vultures will follow suit to help rip apart the top hide of the animal.
A fun fact about turkey vultures is that their stomach acid is as acidic as hard batteries. This allows them to digest carrots very well. They look like Zena has done an amazing job with the vaccine snakes. It's time for her right out in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Zena, our turkey vulture. Let everyone all eyes on the big screen, please. Very familiar, right? The scene of chaos. A bunch of three birds competing and stripping the large mountains down.
What if I were to tell you that vultures, they're social species, and they respect their place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there's a feeding protocol.
Absolutely right, Lena. And with that, let's welcome our next guest to the feast, the African whiteback vulture.
Oh!
But they are the little bits that feed on organs and flesh. They are also social and yet aggressive. Now once they reach a carcass, they wait nearby or start to feed. But once they get going, about 100 birds gather for a meal. And for large carcass clean in less than 30 or even 20 minutes. Now once widely found across Africa, they are now critically endangered and disappearing at an alarming rate.
Now moving on to the heart and ligaments of the animal enter the cinereous vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. Now these birds, they are solitary creatures, except for when they mate or have chicks. Now our male right back there, he has a strong gripping feet and a hook beak to help wiggle apart the tongue height of the animal to eat chunks of flesh. Now just look at him go.
Wow. And you know what? Don't forget we got two more scavengers to join us on stage. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Marshall from Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, our lovely Marshall, they have a dagger-like beak and stern or best feet.
Now though they're not vultures, they coexist and join them in a big feast. Now speaking about vultures, did you know about 11 different species of vultures in Africa helps us clean up 70% of the continent's area. So we would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
That's absolutely right, Lina. Because around the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and even superstitious beliefs. And many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts will be the only way to save these amazing birds from becoming extinct. So let us now take a moment and appreciate these wonderful birds for keeping our environment safe and clean. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Now today we have met raptors and scavenger birds. These kings of the skies and walkers of our earth. They are all part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. So if we were to lose them, we would be losing a part of our family.
So let us all do our part and learn to live in harmony with all